Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to play games on the Apple Vision Pro. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow the simple steps. So basically, first thing to do is to download games on your Apple Vision Pro. So the first thing you to do is here you will have the home view, and if you don't know, have it, you can click either on the digital crown, so you can have this view, or you can click on this icon on the view on the Apple Vision Pro. Then you will need to get in on the App Store. By clicking on the App Store, it will take you to the apps and games. So then you will need just to search for games to download on the App Store. And basically, when you choose any game, you will get the game as you are downloading them from the App Store from your iPhone. So basically, you will click on the Get. You will need just to click on the Get or tap on Get, and then you will wait for the game to download, and then you can start like playing on the game. And basically, there are many games on the Apple Vision Pro. There are games that are requiring like to have a controller. You can some game can be played only by the controls of your hand and depends on any other type of games. So basically, with the Apple Arcade, players can access a catalog of more than 200 games, and on the Apple Vision Pro with no in-app purchase or ads. So you can have like the NBA Arcade Edition, Sonic Dream Team. You can have any other games, and basically each game has its own rule or way of interaction, so you can play the game. So basically, the main idea is just to go to the App Store, you get your game, and you are ready to play any game that you would like. So basically, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.